Are you looking for the best dashcams? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best dashcams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Garmin DasCam Live. The Garmin DasCam Live is an editor's choice winner thanks to its low-profile design, 180-degree field of view, 1440p capture resolution, and cellular connectivity. Other highlights include excellent driver assist features such as forward collision and lane departure warnings, remote live view capabilities, and easy-to-use voice commands. It even comes with a 16GB microSD card and can let you know if you drive away without your phone. This is a great choice for drivers with older cars that lack built-in safety features. It costs a lot, but you can rely entirely on its local storage allotment, and the intuitive mobile app won't cause any headaches. High-res 1440p camera. Remote live view. Driver assist features. Supports voice controls. Cellular and Wi-Fi connectivity. Cloud and local video storage. Time-lapse recording. Ships with microSD card. Number 2. Nextbase 522 GW dashcam. The Nextbase 522 GW provides a lot of features for the price, including a 3-inch touchscreen, Alexa voice controls, a parking mode, and a subscription-based emergency SOS feature that sends your car's location to first responders if you get into an accident. The camera delivered quality 1440p video in testing and we had no trouble with the on-screen controls. If you need a dashcam that does more than record the road in front of you, consider the Nextbase 522 GW. The emergency SOS feature can give you peace of mind, while Alexa support ensures you can stay up to date on traffic conditions. Optional add-on cameras, $99.99, even let you monitor what's happening behind you or inside the cabin. Crisp video recording. Unique emergency SOS feature. Alexa voice control. Parking mode. Sturdy mount. Number 3. VanRand 2 Pro Dual 1080p Dashcam. The VanRand 2 Pro captures 1080p video of what's ahead of your car and who's inside it. It also installs easily and is small enough that it won't impair your view. Its buttons are rather small and you get fewer driver assist features compared with competitors, but the device can detect crashes and offers a parking mode that automatically triggers a recording when someone bumps into your car. The N2's ability to see what's happening inside the car should appeal if you drive passengers for a living or are a nervous parent who wants to keep an eye on your kid while they are on the road. Alternatively, you can angle the inside camera to act as a rear-view camera and use the time-lapse feature for extended recordings. You should look elsewhere if you need Wi-Fi support and a companion app, but keep in mind that this model costs less than others on our list. Dual cameras capture video of the road and inside the car. Adjustable rear-facing camera. Automatic parking mode. Number 4. Thinkware X800 Cam. Dual-channel front QHD and rear FHD, the X800 is capable of recording the front view in stunning 2K 1440p video quality and the rear in 1080p FHD to capture important details clearly. Wide 150-degree front and 160-degree rear viewing angles. Get uncompromised video coverage with a wide 150-degree front and 160-degree rear viewing angles. Control at your fingertip. The 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen allows you to be visually notified of driver assistance safety alerts, conveniently adjust settings, and playback videos on the spot. ADAS and safety camera alerts. Stay safe on the roads with the advanced driver assistance system, which gives you alerts when you veer off your lane or approach the vehicle ahead of you too rapidly. Avoid potential tickets with the safety camera alert feature. It allows the X800 to notify you of upcoming red light cameras and speed cameras, GPS antenna required, included. Parking surveillance mode. Hardwiring cable unlocks optional parking surveillance mode to record events triggered by impact and motion detection, and activates built-in car battery protection system to prevent vehicle battery drain. Hardwiring cable included. Professional installation recommended. Number 5. Kingsland D6 4K Dual Dashcam. 4K plus 1080 front and inside dashcam, capture crystal clear high-resolution footage with 2-channel 170-degree wide-angle cameras, including a 4K front-facing camera and a 1080p cabin-facing camera. Optional 3-channel dashcam. This D6 dual dashcam can be upgraded to 3-channel camera by separate purchase of the rear camera. Search V0BLMPFNV3. You can customize your camera to have a two-way 4K plus 2K front and rear view, 4K plus 1080p front and inside view, or 3-way 2K plus 2K plus 1080p front, rear, and inside view according to your needs. Support Type-C charging and 2 installation mounts. Adopts advanced Type-C fast charging interface, which enables faster and convenient charging and helps to extend the lifespan of the dashcam. Suction cup mount and a 3M adhesive mount included. You can choose the best installation method based on your preference. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, easily access and wireless transfer the recorded videos and photos to your phone by using our free Kingsland app via Wi-Fi, and one-click sharing to social media. The included GPS module accurately records driving location, speed, and route for you to view directly on Google Maps using the app, which may be helpful for insurance claims or legal purposes. Superior night vision, featured with advanced night vision technology that allows this dashcam to capture clear and detailed video footage in low-light conditions. This technology combines software algorithms and hardware components, including 4 infrared lights and a high-quality lens, to produce images and videos even in complete darkness.